So I am using this Mi Robot vacuum for almost more than 3 weeks now, and I bought it through Mi crowdfunding program at rupees 17,999. Currently it is available on Mi store for rupees 24,999. And if you are planning to buy this device or you already bought it, wants to know more about its features, functions, what are the pros and cons, then this video is for you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Hey, it's Nikhil here from Technist, where I help you to amplify your tech knowledge. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for all future updates. So now let's start our video, and our video is going to be segregated into 3 different categories. First, we are going to discuss about what you will get inside the box. Second, what are the features, function and how you will operate this device. And lastly, what are the pros and cons of this device. So now jump into the first segment, what you will get inside the box. So inside the box we have the primary vacuum cleaner device with charging dock, 2 side brushes, one will get installed in the device and another will work as a spare part. Next you will have 2 boxes. The translucent box is for dusting and the black one is for dusting plus mopping, where you can fill the water from here. The next attachment which you have inside the box is the mopping flap. This also comes with 2 types of mopping pad. One is the semi-wet mop and the attached one is full wet mop, which can be interchanged by pulling this out and reattaching in the same way. Now talking about installation. The installation is straightforward for the first run. You have to only install the side brush and the dust box will be pre-installed. Now if you want sweeping and mopping both, then you have to remove the dust box first, fill the water in the black box and install below the flip cover. Once you install the box, the system will analyze it and inform you as well. Like if you install dust box, then it will say
dust compartment has been installed. Dust compartment has been removed.
And if you install black box, then
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed.
So this is all about the installation. Now let's quickly get through some of the basic specifications. So it's a fairly large product which is about 315 mm in diameter and weighs 3.6 kgs. This is not the lightest vacuum cleaner and should not be considered as a disadvantage, as we are not going to lift it too often. It also comes with 3200 mAh battery and overall running time is about 80 to 140 minutes, but based on your usage. And the most important part is it also packed with 12 high precision sensor, which mainly helps the vacuum cleaner to run without any assistance. Like if you miss to install the dust box and press the start button, then it will notify you. Other sensors helps to identify the obstacles, inclined part, drop area from where it can probably fall or cannot go through, like your staircase. The most important, or you can say the most advanced sensor with this device uses is LDS sensor, which helps to map your house and create a blueprint of your house, which helps to navigate this device across your house. Now if you want to take maximum benefit from this device, then you have to pair it up with MI Homes app. And this device only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The simple reason behind it is that 2.4 GHz band have wider range of coverage compared to 5 GHz network. So make sure you have a 2.4 GHz enabled network in your Wi-Fi. Now once it is paired up with Mi Home app, you can find lots of automation function here. Now to use it all, first you have to map your house in the device. So press the start button in the app and leave it alone until the time it comes back to the docking station. Once it is back, you can see your house map is created here. Now if you go down in the app, you will find different mode available in this vacuum cleaner, like vacuum mode, which is only for dusting. The next mode is vacuum and mopping, and if you only want to do mopping, then select the last option. But before you start mopping, you have to install the mopping box and mopping flap. Now below that we have 4 different vacuuming level, where its suction power and its noise level are associated with each mode. And lastly we have the indication of the water level inside the tank, which will give you the details how much water is left inside the tank. Now other automation function can be found by pressing the 3 dot on the top. Firstly, you can find cleaning history of the last 30 days, which give you the details about when and how much the pair device used for cleaning. In the next setting option, you can schedule the device like what time and what area of your house needs to be cleaned by selecting the different modes whatever you want, like sweeping, mopping or both. You can also make your cleaning more advanced by selecting other options as well, like vacuum along edges, secondary cleaning, which you can select as per your need. Now this device works in two different patterns. First one is S pattern, which clean the floor in up and down linearly motion. The other one is Y pattern, in which device moves linearly and then slightly move left and right. This is much effective cleaning pattern but drains more battery than S pattern. This is much effective cleaning pattern but drains more battery than S pattern and also take much time compared to S pattern. You can also create a virtual wall which helps to restrict the device to clean the particular restricted area, and in another way you can also select a specific location which you want to clean only. Now the app assigned random name to the mapped area like room number 1, room number 2 and so on. You can also rename these, which helps you to identify the correct spot which you want to clean. So these are the major functions you will get with this device, and it will cover almost all type of cleaning. Now as far as vacuuming is concerned, it has a 2100 PA of suction power and it also has a brushless motor. So it is not very noisy and it also fairly effective in cleaning out dust from your rooms. It easily travels between rooms, but I find that if you have things in the way, for example chair and table or any other stuff that would have around your house, it become a little bit difficult for machine to clean out that particular area appropriately. I also found that it struggles if you have lot of stuffs lying on the floor, like if you have slipper, wires and toy as well. Because of the laser module, you do add a little bit of height to them, otherwise very slim profile vacuum cleaner, and that means that if you have anything just slightly above the height of the entire vacuum cleaner but not above the laser module, it won't clean under that. Now if you want a mopping mode, then you have to swap brush system for a mopping system, and that will allow you to get a mopping mode. So for a mopping, more or less you have to be around, and then you will also have to keep adding water as it mop the floor, and it will do a basic job. It's not going to give you a thorough mopping experience. So overall fairly easy to use, and if you start to understand how it works and once you have everything set up, you will be using it in a real time in a proper way around your house, and it will help you with its cleaning capability, but will not recommend it for mopping as it cannot clean any dry spot if you have in your house. Also the app is extremely detailed and allow you to see how much battery is left and what room has been cleaned. So this is all from us. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe and stay digitally connected.